Good morning, first grade. Oh, I want to back it up a little bit. Today we are reading Paco's Tacos. And what do you think? Do you think this is fiction or nonfiction? I know we've been reading a lot of nonfiction this week, but we're switching back to fiction. This one is Paco's Tacos. How does Paco's day turn out differently than he would have thought, or than he thought it would? Here's some words to know. We have customer, freeway. That's a compound word. You have free and way. Horchata, I looked this one up. The H is silent, so it's pronounced horchata, and it's a milk drink, a Spanish milk drink. This word is sobrino. I looked this one up too. That is the Spanish word for nephew. Tacos and tío, and I believe that is the Spanish word for uncle. So let's see. Paco saw the food truck pull into his driveway. The side of the truck read Paco's Tacos. Uncle Arnie had named the truck after him. Tio is here, Paco called to his mother. And if you see here, he says Uncle Arnie had named the truck after him. And then Paco says Tio is here. So Tio is the word for uncle in Spanish. Uncle Arnie picked up Paco most Saturday mornings. Paco helped his uncle sell tacos in the city. Out on the freeway, the truck picked up speed. Then it slowed. Then it stopped. The freeway looked like a parking lot. I'm going to go back to that. Have you ever been on the highway? In this book, they call it the freeway. We usually call it the highway. Have you ever been on the freeway or the highway when it looked like this? I have. After 10 minutes, people turned off their cars. They rolled down their windows. Some people even got out. Paco heard a little girl in the next car say, "I smell something good." Her dad looked out his window at the truck. He asked Paco, "Can I buy 2 tacos?" Paco turned to his uncle. "Watch the road," Uncle Arnie said. "Shout if traffic starts moving," he added. Then Uncle Arnie walked to the back of the truck. What do you think Uncle Arnie is going to do? Paco took the money from the man. Uncle Arnie came back with the tacos. Paco gave them to the man. Soon the people were running over to the truck. Paco took their money. He called back each order to his uncle. First they sold out of tacos. Then they sold out of rice and beans. Next they sold out of horchata. Soon they had sold out of everything. Cars are moving, Paco called out. Uncle Arnie got back behind the wheel. He drove Paco home. That was fun, Paco said in the driveway. I just wish there was a taco left for me, he added. Uncle Arnie walked to the back of the truck once more. He came back with one perfect taco. I would never forget my favorite customer, mi sobrino. Remember at the beginning I told you that's my nephew? He said. Here we go, is our glossary. This is extra helpful if there were some words you didn't know. So a customer is a person who buys a product. A freeway is like a highway. An horchata is a sweet drink from Spain and Latin America that is made from ground rice, nuts, and seeds. I read online it was kind of like a milk drink. Sobrino, Spanish word for nephew. Tacos, a Mexican dish made from folded tortillas and fillings such as meat and toppings. And tío, Spanish word for uncle. Nice work, guys. All right, that's the end of the book. Today is Thursday, so tomorrow you'll just have some fun lessons to do. And of course, we have our Zoom at 10 o'clock. So I will send the email out with the password and the login information. I hope to see you guys there tomorrow. See all your beautiful shining faces. I miss you. Bye.